I'm not spicy. I'm gonna chew it. Are we chewing or are we just...
Yeah, you're gonna chew it and eat it, guy.
How many bites?
Habanero peppers. For all three of us. Me and Alan, this kid right here.
For the challenge.
We're going to New York on Sunday. We're gonna do the Suicide 6-Wing Challenge at Buffalo Cantina.
I'm just gonna do it for shits and giggles.
Let's fucking do it. Ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3. I feel it already.
That's wow.
It's gonna take a minute to kick in though.
Oh my god. Wow.
It's not that hot yet.
We can't get a drink yet.
It's not that hot yet.
Oh my god, dude. This shit is hot, guys.
No drinks yet?
Oh, wow. We gotta get a drink.
And they say this was on
Wow. We're gonna share our brains. 2 years from now, our asses will be fucking roaming the curb.
They say that the 6-Wing Challenge is like it's like eating 100 of these. What are you doing, dude?
No, I'm gonna soda girl for a second.
It's not that bad.
No, so cools it down.
You crying?
What's up?
He's crying.
Yo, we're crazy. Yo, pressure, I'm going to get some cold water.
I'm crying too, dude. You're crying too. It's fucking hot! Alright, that's enough of this. I'm gonna make some footage of us in New York, alright guys? What happened?
Hot. Doesn't help when you fucking have a sore in your mouth.
What the fuck are you doing, dude?
It's going what though? This shit is crazy, dude. It's holding my mouth down for doing that. Cold water, bro. Whoa. Hey, did you call the fire department? I hear him. What's the matter, John? Y'all wasn't fucking hot enough?
I'm a man, boy.
Yeah, right. My eyes are watering.
Rookies. I guess it's clear who's gonna win the challenge. I'm gonna be the one winning, boy. You're gonna lose.
Fucking asshole. Yeah, good.
That's what you get for buying it.
Good. Good, don't care.